True say, my baby hair isn't even baby hair. It's like adolescent hair, mortgage paying hair, you know.
Switching up positions for kitchen and I'm in the bedroom.
Hey guys, what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dymund, and in this video I want you to relax, you know, go and grab coffee, tea, whatever it is that you're drinking, and let's get right into this video. Because listen, this wig that I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you a wig. Okay, let me tell you what you're not going to need. You're not going to need Ghost Bond. You're not going to need Gots to Be spraying glue. You're not going to need no gel. 2021, yeah, I believe it's going to be a lot more easier than 2020. So that's why we need wigs like these, okay? We need wigs like these, okay? Because 2020 was tough enough on our edges, okay? We had to switch up the game. Okay, so I received my package from Julia Hair. Julia Hair were kind enough to send me this package, honey, and this is what I wanted to talk about. I really want us to get into details about this one, okay? Facing over here because my mirror is here. Anyway, let's talk about the headband wig for a second. Okay, so I was sent this 22-inch Brazilian hair headband wig just here, and this is where the headband part of it plays in and how it gets involved. So it's just like a normal wig, but rather than having the lace at the front, you get the headband just here. You get the two combs just there on the side, and one just here at the front, and another one here at the back just there. And this is absolutely life-changing, okay? Absolutely life-changing. And this is where the whole headband part of it comes in. And yeah, it's so easy to use. It's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and try this hair, and we're gonna talk about it and just see what it is that we can do and see what the hype is about. I'm really excited because I need to give my edges a break. My edges need a break. My edges are like, no, 2021, leave me alone. I'm really excited for this one. I reckon it's gonna give a break on my edges and just allow it to grow and to thicken. Yeah, I want thickened edges, okay? I want my edges to just, anyways. Let's go ahead and try on this wig. So I went ahead and I just laid my baby hairs. Listen, this wig, yeah, I love the fact that you can just whack it on and go, honestly. And it's really secure as well. Don't think because there's no glue or whatever involved that, you know, it's not secure, because it really actually is. Now this is as simple as you can get with it, okay? Now I don't really like it being too curly, so I'm just gonna use my fingers and just run my fingers through it just like that. And it is so soft, oh my goodness. There's no hair coming off from this wig at all. And this is like the most basic style that you can actually wear this wig in. And oh, before I get carried away, let me just quickly let you know, it comes as well with these headbands as well that you can literally just place over the front of where the headband section is. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Listen, it comes, listen, all of this, yeah? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just try different styles. This is style number 1, okay? This one is a 24-inch, and it's the Brazilian human hair wig. So soft, so lush, like you cannot go wrong with this one at all. So gorgeous, and I just love the fullness of it, you know? Do not forget to use my discount code just here. It's going to save you some coins when it comes to checkout, okay?
So I went ahead and I put this hair in a high bun, just there, really messy high bun, really gorgeous, really cute, and so easy.
I've literally just made it shorter in case you don't really want to wear it, you know, in its natural length that it comes in the 24-inch. I've literally just tied it up in a pony, high pony just there. I am honestly having way too much fun, okay, with this wig than I even anticipated. Honestly, Let me see what it looks like with one of the headbands. Okay, let's try this headband. Just, oh, this is cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. It's really giving you that fullness, and it still kept the curls. And like I said, there's no funky smells when it comes to this one. This hair is absolutely luscious. Like, I absolutely love this hair. Just a little brush of the baby hair, just like that, and just look at it. This hair is absolutely amazing. All right, let me just see. Let's see if we can put it like in a half up and half down style just here. Let's see what that's gonna look like. Oh my goodness, I can already see the vision. Ah! Just look at it just here. Just put it a little bit like this. Let's see if we can put it, let's see what it looks like this. I'm just gonna fling it in a little, oh my gosh, okay. You can even just wear it as it is, like without adding on the headbands or anything like that, because it already comes with the headband just here. But just for the sake of like hiding, you know, the transition here from where the headband finishes and then where the hair starts, obviously, you know, it's a bit cringe, a little bit like just cringe. So yeah, so just for the sake of actually just covering it, it's so versatile. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on with another band and another styles to see what we can get. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it with like a bigger bun just here. In terms of the wig itself, it's actually really secure on my head. And this is the thing, because sometimes we have to use the bonding glue. We have to use the ghost bond. We have to use the got to be glue, because we want that security and we just want our wigs to like not shift, do you know what I mean? You can get that with these headband wigs without using any of those things, because to be honest with you, I feel personally, especially the ghost bond, I feel like it has damaged my hairline a little bit, and the got to be as well, like, because obviously if you're using it every other day, it's a lot. But with this one here, it's going to not only save you time, but it's also going to save your edges. Headband wigs are saving edges. Okay, let's see what else we can do. Oh, okay. And this one here is literally just a messy bun. Okay, this is the messy bun. Look just like that. I've literally just put it up in this high bun just here, and it's sitting comfortably. So this is one of the easiest styles, and I kid you guys not, the hair is absolutely secure. You know, you're getting the security, and you're also getting the easy access of, you know, flinging it into all of these different hairstyles without affecting nothing, you know. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's see what else we can do. Let's see. Okay, there we go. The low bun works as well. Like, all of these styles, I'm actually really impressed. Absolutely gorgeous, and it's not bulky. This is another thing I like about this wig. It's not bulky here at the top. It's actually really smooth. Switch up your hairstyles. Like, how you feeling? How you feeling, boo? Switch up your hairstyles, okay? Okay, I'm gonna see if I can give myself like a low pony plait just here. Let's see if that will work. And there we have it. And I mean, it's pretty long. It's like a decent length. Like, I really like this style. This one is so far top 3, so you can just fling it in a low pony like that and have it in a nice little plait just like this. Let's see what else we can do. Can we twist this about? Have it in another low little bun just like that. I'm literally just trying to show you how easy it is to just change up the style, like, so you can match the headband, you can match it to your outfit, you can match it to your makeup, honey. True say, my baby hair isn't even baby hair, it's like adolescent hair, mortgage paying hair, you know. I've just moved the wig back just a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just put on my band just here. And you can literally rock it like this, and even this looks absolutely stunning. It looks absolutely stunning, just like that. Hold on, don't judge me just yet. I'm onto something. I'm onto something. Don't judge me just yet. Hold on. This one is definitely a cutie. Okay. Yeah. This one is definitely a cutie. Okay, so for this is the last style, but I just feel like this wig is so versatile. Like you can do so much with it. Like even this. I'll have it a little bit higher up, but even this is so cute. How cute. Okay, let me try another look. I'm gonna put on a black headband. There's no shedding at all. Like, I mean, I've done quite a bit to this wig. I mean, you guys have seen, I've done quite a few styles with this wig, but there's like no shedding at all. So I've just put on the black headband just in case you do want to you know, wear all black or whatever it is. Like, just grab yourself a black headband and just place it over the band that comes with the wig. And again, it just looks like it just looks like your hair or whatever, and you put the headband over it. And the good thing about this is that you can leave as much or as little of your own baby hair at the front as you want. Let me see if I can like give it a little plait. Hold on. And look at that, I've just put it into two little very cute pigtails, and it seems to work as well. Like, I am so chuffed. Do not forget to use the code, Y3TB to save you 10% off. I can't, the possibilities are just endless. I cannot. I could do 50 hairstyles, okay, 50 hairstyles just from this one headband wig. Like, not everybody is good at laying down like their frontals. Ouch. Not everybody is good at laying frontals. Some people, you know, can just about manage closures. So this one is definitely gonna just be one of those wigs that you just need to have in your collection, just to simplify things for you. Like this wig, honestly, I'm not even just saying it for just big ups. Like, I'm actually saying it because this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you check out all the details down in the description box so you can get your hands on this headband wig here from Julia Hair. Make sure you check it out. I got mine in a 24-inch, and this is in the Brazilian human hair. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love and I appreciate you each and every time for showing up for your girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys on another video. Woo! Julia Hair, baby. Julia Hair, baby. Julia Hair, baby. Yes, this hair absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.